Yes, my name is Russell. Oh my God! Thank God you guys picked up the phone. I need the bird food now. Okay. I went to the Walmart today and they said that they were all out of bird food, and the swallows in my backyard, they haven't been fed in weeks. Yes. The best kind, because they only eat the best. I tried to feed them the cheap bird food, and they just peck their little beaks on the ground. They don't eat it. They're swallops. You know the little birds, and they fly around. And they stay in places at the same time, and they peck at the flowers and stuff. You gotta sell bird food online, or the birds are gonna die. I swear. I've been trying. I've been feeding them all winter. I've been feeding them all winter long, and they've stayed in this spot, and they haven't migrated yet, and they've grown adapted to me, and they won't fly south if I don't. If they can't fly south, they're staying there. They've adapted to me feeding them the food, and if I don't get the bird food, then they'll die. They don't have anything. They say that they won't get a single crate of it in weeks. They sell it for too expensive. I can't afford it. Oh God. Oh God. You're sure that they don't have any bird food at all? I only have the one Walmart. No, there's no Walmarts near me. I can't. And I went to the Kmart and they said they were real mean with me and they told me to get out of their store. And I went to the, oh God, I gotta go to the Walmart. The Walmart sells the brand that they like. They only like the Walmart bird food. And I can't afford the good bird food at the pet store. I'm on welfare. Oh God. Oh, I only have one Walmart near me. I can't go anywhere else, so they'll die without me. I went up to my brother-in-law's house for the weekend. I told my neighbors to feed the swallows, but the neighbors, they ran out of bird food after just 2 days, and they didn't want to buy any more because they didn't know where to get it from. And the birds, they're not going to be able to live without the bird feed. And they haven't eaten in weeks. And I went to my brother's house, and I went away for 2 weeks, and I got the neighbors to feed them, but they didn't feed the birds because. Oh, jeez. What are the birds gonna do? No, they've adapted to me living here. They can't anymore. They would have flown south for the winter and they would have been in Mexico or someplace now. But I kept feeding them. I shouldn't have kept feeding them. Now the birds are all gonna be dead in my backyard. Can you make an exception for me? I need the bird food. I can't get it anywhere else. It's too expensive. It's like $40 a bag. It You could sell it online for me. And the birds are gonna die. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh Jesus.
Walmart just got punked. Chia.